Welcome to our YouTube series on mastering dynamic date formulas in Microsoft Excel, where we explore the powerful world of date formulas that will transform the way we generate rolling reports. In this tutorial, we will cover the NETWORKDAYS function. The NETWORKDAYS function calculates the number of working days between two dates, excluding weekends and, optionally, holidays. Let's get started. The basic syntax of the NETWORKDAY function includes the start date, the end date, and holidays. The start and end dates can be manually entered into the formula, referenced from an existing date cell, or dynamically generated using a date function like the today function. The holidays portion of the formula is optional and is used to exclude specified holidays from the calculation. Let's walk through some examples. Open Excel and begin by typing this formula designed to determine the net working days between January 1st and January 31st, 2024. In this formula, the start date is set to January 1st, 2024, and the end date is set to January 31st, 2024. This example would return a value of 23 net workdays. If we want to base the start and end dates on existing date cells, we would replace the manually entered dates in the formula with references to those cells. For example, if cell A1 contains the date September 1st, 2024, and cell B1 contains the date October 31st, 2024, we would use A1 as the start date and B1 as the end date in the formula. This formula would return a value of 44 net workdays. We can also use a date function to dynamically determine the start and end date. For example, if we want to return the number of workdays between today and the end of the year, we would replace A1 as the start date with the today function. The formula is displayed below. The start date is set to today's date using the today function. The end date uses the date function to set the year to the current year, the month to 12, and the day to 31. This formula will automatically adjust the end date to December 31st of the current year. If we want to exclude specific holidays, we would add a reference to the cells containing the list of holiday dates. For example, if cells D1 to D12 contain the holiday dates you wish to exclude, you would adjust the formula to reference these cells. The calculation would then exclude any workdays that fall within the dates listed in cells D1 through D12. Practical uses for the NETWORKDAY function include project management, calculating the actual working time available for project completion; leave management, determining the number of working days an employee will be on leave; financial calculations, calculating the number of working days for billing cycles or interest calculations. We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.